Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and I am going to be doing a bit of randomizing today, trying to add to all of my savings challenges that will go towards my high yield savings and my car fund. So what I want to do is go ahead and get started now. I pre-organized where the money is going. So yes, okay, I have clips and all of that. But I believe this amount is $337. And so I am going to just hope that's what it is. And we're going to go ahead and move along from there. Now, guys, I have the $10,000 savings box that I am looking to save at the end of the year. And this is 2025. So I'm actually getting a jump start on 2025 because I've completed my 2024 goals. Okay, so we're just going to get started here. Okay. And this amount will add up to $10,000. And as you can see, anything that has color on it, I've already added to the box. And today I am going to add, let's see, 50, 75, $80. Okay, so I'm going to add $80 to the box. And the way that I'm tracking it, I'll tell you about that. So let's do 50, 70, 90. Oh, shoot. Guys, see what I'm saying? See. I can't believe I did that, okay? So I owe $10 here. So let's just see if we can take that from somewhere else, okay? All right, guys. So here's 80 and I owe $10 in here. I can't believe I did that, okay? The way that I'm tracking it is each block is, let's see, 256 blocks. So there are 256 blocks. The way that I'm tracking it is just Xing out every time I color in a block. So today I colored in 3 boxes. So I am just Xing out 3 boxes, okay? Okay, and what I'm gonna do is, so that I don't forget, is put a little IOU here. I can't believe I did that. I can't believe I did that, okay? But, guys, things happen. Okay, so the very next thing that I want to add to is the 100 envelope savings challenge box. And this will add up to $5,050. So I want to color in the number 39. And again, this is to be completed in 2025. And I'm just getting a jump start on it, guys. So 20, 35, $39. And my goals for 2025 is to start aggressively paying down my mortgage and then adding an additional $20,000 to my high yield savings and add $20,000 to my car fund. My car is currently paid off, but eventually I will need a new car. So I prefer to start saving now so I can pay cash for it. And that's that on that. Okay, guys, so this is the number 39. All right. And I really like this box and folding of the cash, etc. But I do have this envelope savings challenge as well. And this is my first time not folding money for a 100 envelope savings challenge, which I've completed 3 100 envelope saving challenges this year. So my goal is to complete more than that going into 2025. But this is not what I want right now. What I want next is scratch off. And I ordered some scratch offs, and I wanted to use the scratch off too as a way to save. So this scratch off is from Nessa Budgets, and it's worth $50. So I want to go ahead and scratch them off and add the $50 to my scratch off envelope. All right. Next, I'm going to add to the other 100 envelope savings challenge. And then, guys, I have long-term savings challenges that I created that I'm excited to share with you all. All right, so let me add $50. I'm going to put this one to the back, and I'm going to add $50 here. And I'm not going to count or unstuff until all of the scratch offs are completed. And I have quite a few in there. Okay, so next I would like to add to my second 100 envelope savings challenge. And so I want to stuff numbers 15 and 16. 15 and 16. Okay. And I remember when my very first 100 envelope savings challenge, I completed it the first maybe 2 months or so of this year. But that is because my birthday month is in January. And so I received cash for my birthday. And so I was able to stuff much more during the first quarter of the year. And so that's why I was able to complete the my first 100 envelope savings challenge so quickly. So hopefully January again coming up, I'm able to speed through the 100 envelope savings challenges. Okay, so what I want to do here, I have 12 mini challenges. But what I want to do is just go ahead and stuff them one at a time. So here I owe, let me see, what I owe, $27 because each icon is worth $3 and each each letter is worth $2. So I'm going to color in off camera, but I do want to go ahead and stuff and complete this challenge so that I can move on to the next mini savings next time. Okay, so this should be $27. Okay. And so the first mini savings challenge is completed, and then I will move on to the next mini savings next time. Okay. Now, guys, I want to stuff my long-term savings binder, which I have all of my challenges here. And the first one is, let me make sure that you all can see. There we go. The first one is from Nita over at the Almost Organized Owl. And this is her new 2025 savings challenge. So I want to stuff the number 25. And I saw Melissa over at Budget Stuff, Save, and Repeat complete the 2024 challenge. And I said, oh, wait a minute, I have to get the 2025 challenge. So here I am. Actually, let me do the marker way instead of the pencil way. There we go. So I'm going to stuff $25 here. And then my challenges are long term as well. So for those of you who do not know, I am a full-time entrepreneur. I do have a consulting firm, and I'm also a doctor of education. So I teach at the university level as well. I develop curriculum for the MBA programs, and I teach teachers how to become school principals. I also started a charter school in the area that I live in, and I do consulting for different types of organizations, etc. Okay. So I said that to say I am a productive entrepreneur. I love everything that involves entrepreneurship. And I am very, 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 very intentional about balance and living a soft life as an entrepreneur. So I teach on that. I have courses on how to become more productive, how to live a soft life as an entrepreneur, etc. So these icons are each worth $50, and I just added another $50 to this challenge. And the other challenge, and I've created these challenges, so I will have the links available. This is my Soft Life Savings Challenge. I remind myself on a daily basis to live a soft life, everybody, because it doesn't have to, in my opinion, be stressful, and it it just doesn't have to be, in my opinion. So I try to be very intentional about self-care and take some time to focus on me, and not to be intentionally, overwhelmed when there's something that I can do to, prevent it. So this is my Let's Save challenge for the entire year. So every month there are different denominations. And so I am working ahead, and I'm in January now. And each challenge has a different saying, has a different challenge amount. But for the month of January, it's Cherish the Day. So I do have a sticky note in my home that I look at every day that says Cherish the Day. So I try to pull out the good in every day and focus on it. And my days are better because of it. Okay, so I'm going to add $20 to the all-inclusive 12-month savings. And again, guys, I have these challenges available in the description link. Okay, and then I have my Soft Life challenge for January, and each icon is worth $5. So I will add $5 here. Okay. And then not in 2025, but in 2026, because my birthday is in January, I would like to take the 2025 year to save for my January birthday in 2026. And so I'm going to start early and plan a year ahead for it. And I planned to put $10 here, but guys, because I was too excited earlier, and I added an additional $10 in this challenge, and I didn't try to, I am actually going to put that I owe you $10 in here. And then next time for the birthday challenge, I'll just make sure to add some additional in there. I do not want an IOU, so I decided to go ahead and put it in here. Okay, guys, so that is that on that. So these are the challenges that I will be focusing on mainly for the first and second quarter of 2025. My goal is to, again, aggressively pay down my mortgage, which those videos regarding my mortgage will have nothing to do with my savings challenges. So it will be strictly just focusing on paying off my mortgage, and then separate videos would be more of these randomizing savings as well. Okay, so if that's something that you are interested in, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye for now.